My people, welcome to another episode of Pigeon Vibes Yarnings. I one time call my people, me don't like, me don't share, me don't subscribe to our various channel as we dey drop all the updates when they come. Today, my yarn is carrying me go Arsenal Football Club. Man, all the Arsenal fans when me know around the world, their body just dey make jiggy. The way they take beat Tottenham, the way they take dismantle Bayern Munich, mostly for that second half. Like Bayern Munich no fit sniff. You know wetin e mean for full 90 minutes Harry Kane no get one shot on target. Harry Kane may we know. Really at the beginning everybody dey asking on a set piece na only corner set piece na dey sabi to dey score. Dem score clean goals for open play. Team wey no play with any recognized striker o. Hey, dem no play with any recognized striker against Tottenham, dem no play with any recognized striker against Bayern Munich. But see wetin dem do. Dem dey score goals now. Don score 7 goals in the last 2 games, concede only 2. Yeah, they don do, and they no dey with their best central defender. In short, their best defender, no be even central defender. Gabriel na Arsenal best defender. Are they really proud of the team? To me, for the whole of Europe, Arsenal get the best squad. You know wetin e mean when e be say Arsenal fit comot Saka win game na 1-1, they end up winning that game 3-1. 2 years ago, even last year, Arsenal no fit try that nonsense. Even if Saka dey limp, e go finish that match o. They no comot am for the match. Lie. Ateta no go even try am. But they comot am yesterday, they end up winning the match. That one na to tell you the level when their squad don dey. Their squad depth don dey now. The team dey play really well, they dey play good football. They dey defend like a team, they dey attack as a team. If you settle down and watch Arsenal, so kind time you go see Saliba for midfield. Yesterday, e get one time yesterday for some time for the second half, Mosquera dey high, come be like say e dey play almost central forward, sorry. E get the way that dey tweak them. So kind time you just see Saliba for midfield, kind time you see Saliba for right back. Then Timber go dey central midfield if Saliba dey right back. So the team really, I dey shocked. I expect them to beat Bayern Munich, but I no expect them to outplay Bayern Munich the way they take outplay them. The game na still 50-50 for first half, but you see that second half, e get one kind of spirit may possess them for second half. As in they possess, mostly Rice possess for that midfield yesterday. Man, I no go lie, I dey very proud of wetin Arsenal don achieve so far. With wetin they don pass for the last 3 seasons, if I'm not mistaken. They deserve where they dey now, and I want them to win the major trophies because of the truth. Arsenal really dey ball this season. Now, if you no wan talk truth, then you go say this team no dey ball. Forget say people go talk say na so they do am every year, one season new start, they go dey do am like this. Fine, na so they do am when season new start, no doubt. But the way that they play this time around is different from the way that they play those days. This one na team when e get injury crisis, so just that their squad last now, people no dey notice am. Their striker when their main striker when they use that money million take buy, he never play for some games now, but still here they turn up. Their captain no dey fit, but still here they turn up. Down the squad depth. People, I won't leave una with this question. Currently now, make una drop una comment for comment section. I go dey watch una comment. But currently now, Arsenal be the best team presently for the world. My people, una do.